What up, Rom Sandbox? It's just your boy Atro again. Gonna do another Sandbox Spotlight, number 2. This time, same war that I mentioned in Sandbox 1, Spotlight 1, against Clandestine War. This one's gonna be Smudo's attack on number 12. And the reason I wanted to highlight this was I've said it a number of times in the clan chat and on GroupMe, but with the change to the lightning spell at level 5 and level 6 being doing more damage, you're going to basically buy yourself an elixir spell back at the Town Hall 8 and even Town Hall 9 levels if you're doing dragon attacks. But you're going to buy yourself back an entire spell because you're allowed to. You can use 2 lightning spells and 1 at least level 2 earthquake spell to kill a maxed air defense at Town Hall 8 level. So we're going to watch Smudo here. Let's do a quick scout of the base. Okay, so this is a spiral base, Town Hall 8. You can see the location of the 3 air defenses here. So in a Town Hall 8 attack with dragons, which he's going to use here, he's actually going to use a 909 dragons and balloons, so 9 dragons, 9 balloons, 5 in the clan castle, 4 in his inventory, and then 9 dragons with his Barb King. What you want to do in all Town Hall 8 attacks where you're using dragons, pick an air defense that is probably the hardest to get. In almost all cases, that's what you want to do. You want to pick the one that's going to be the hardest for your dragons to get to. So even though they're all close to the edge, you may think, well, I could pick any of these. Smudo correctly identifies that this air sweeper right here is going to make this air defense the hardest to get to. So what he's going to do is, as the battle starts, he's going to drop some of his dragons. He's going to drop some of his dragons here to start funneling in. He's going to attack right at these 2 air defenses and come in this way and then basically sweep across the entire base like this. So once he's got that air defense down on the right, as soon as he gets these 2 down, it's going to be game over. What I like that he did do, he sent some dragons out here. He sent a couple dragons here, a couple dragons here for funneling. Always remember, if you can see, let's go look right down there at this little builder hut right here. So just bear in mind that builder hut is there. Smudo handles it perfectly. He drops 1 dragon there right at the edge, and then the dragon easily turns and moves back north and rejoins up with his other dragons. But keep that in mind because if you get to the end of your attack, and we saw it wasn't, I don't know if it was a dragon attack, and I don't think it was a mistake of deployment. It's just that there are 4 builder huts in the edge. I believe it might have actually been Smudo who had a 99%, basically needed half a second on a builder hut that was outside to get a 3rd star. And I mean, that's just heartbreaking right there, because that's an attack that, we'd have to use another attack to get that 3rd star for really half a percentage point of damage. So just keep it in mind if at all possible. I wouldn't split up 5 dragons on the edges just to get rid of the builder huts, but keep it in mind. So last thing on this base, as I mentioned, having 2 lightning spells and 1 quake spell buys you an elixir spell back. Since you have 7 spots for spells, normally you would take 3 lightning and 1 poison. Now you can take 2 lightning, 1 quake, and as Smudo chooses, 1 rage. So what he decides to do here is he places the rage right here to interact with the clan castle troops that are coming out. So he gets a little boost against this air defense, and then he gets basically a 1-shot on a bunch of wizards that are in the clan castle. So overall, a great attack. Let's go ahead and get to the attack. We'll show Smudo's awesome 3-star attack. So you see he drops a dragon there, 2 to funnel, just to set the edge. There's his 1 dragon on the builder hut. Perfect job there. Starts to funnel him in using left, right. Sure, he's got a good funnel in there. While that's happening, he then drops his quake, drops his 2 lightning spells. Boom. The clan castle starts to come out, so he uses that rage, gets the air defense right there. Starts to send the balloons over to the air defense, which is perfect deployment there. Waits until that air defense is starting to attack the dragons, and then deploys the balloon. So he knows that he's going to get the air defense. Takes his Barb King out as a trimmer on the side, very good there. Got rid of the sweeper that was there. And now his King's going to get to go inside of the base, start doing some damage inside. Just going to give him some relief. I mean, he just absolutely demolished this base. I mean, this base had no chance. Even without the rage spell, he would have gotten there. But it's important to know that in some cases, in some of the bases that you'll find at Town Hall 8, having that extra spell is going to prove the difference. As you can see, this base has already been destroyed. I mean, it took about a minute here. So he does have the corner builder huts to worry about, but his dragon's split right there. Not gonna have any issues here. And even though it says he only has 22 seconds, remember that that's just the total time of the attack. He would have had more time in real life. There you go. There's the 3-star. So just remember, when you're doing Town Hall 8 attacks, you can use only 2 lightning spells, 1 quake spell, and you can get the same effect. So bottom an extra rage. So again, 9 dragons, 9 balloons, absolutely demolish this base. Great job, Smudo. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you like this. Let me know, and we'll keep it up. Talk to you soon.